Look, my dear friend, you can't and will never win if you don't replace the talking with doing. Now, let me rephrase this. You and I will never win if we don't stop talking, or we don't give up the talking at a certain point in time and focus more on taking action. There is the talking aspect to every goal. There is a visualization aspect to every dream. But the magic is in the action. If it's going to happen, it is about what you do, not what you say. My dear friend, if we are going to win this game called life, if you and I are going to make the impact and the income we truly desire, we must reach a point where we stop talking and we start taking massive action, doing what it takes to make that dream become a reality. My dear friend, if you're watching this video, if you are listening to me right now, I'm here to encourage you and to motivate you that it is time to give up the talk and focus on the doing. The doing is where the magic happens. It is where you demonstrate faith and perseverance. It is where you demonstrate that you really want that dream. My dear friend, you will never win if you don't replace the talking with doing. That is how you're going to become the true winner you were created to be. And that is how you live the winning life. Hello, my friend. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got inspired. I hope you got motivated. I hope you've taken something out of this video that you're going to apply so that your life can take a forward thing. Please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the red button that says subscribe. Subscribe. After doing that, you also hit this notification bell here so that YouTube can notify you anytime I publish a new video. That way you get to start your day with the Sedone Show. Thank you so much once again. Please stay motivated, stay blessed.